What is a finding aid, and how do I use one? A finding aid is a document created by archivists to describe an archive collection and how to access the items within it. Think of it as an index or table of contents of a collection. UNCP's Livermore Library uses the platform ArchivesSpace to create finding aids for its collections. Here's where you can enter ArchivesSpace. Click on Go to Finding Aids. This is a list of all of the processed collections available for research. For the purposes of this video, we'll look at the Fuller family papers as an example. Click on the collection. Here, you'll see the dates of the materials within the collection and a historical summary of the collection, how it arrived at Livermore Library, and when. You can also see additional information on the namesakes of the collection. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the list of materials in this collection. This collection is divided into 4 folders. Let's look at Series 2, Records of Augustus W. Fuller, Administrator of the Estate of Richard C. Rhodes. We'll open that series and look at the list of items within it. Let's say we want to view the receipt from the Clerk of the Superior Court. We'll click on Receipt from John C. Moore, Clerk of the Superior Court, in a case by John A. Rowland against the estate. When you click on an item, you'll receive details specific to that item. At the top, you can view the title and date. Underneath that, you'll see the location of the item, Box 1, Folder 14. It also has an identifier number. You can provide this information to the archivist, and they can easily pull the item for your research. You'll also see other information, such as how many pages the item is, if it contains graphic materials, the language, and more, depending on the collection and material type. You can also search for documents if you aren't sure where they're located. You can click the magnifying glass and type in Clerk of Superior Court. That brings us to the same item that you can select and give that information to the archivist. You can also search by subjects, dates, and more. And that's how a finding aid works. If you need any additional information or assistance, please contact special.collections@uncp.edu.